children, how are you all? I hope it's a good and safe. Okay, the previous class we all learned that in alphabets and 2, 3, 4 letter words. Today I will start that in first lesson. Okay, look at this. This is your English textbook in 5th standard. Okay, the first lesson. What is our first lesson? Look at that. The first chapter name is The Boy Judge. What is that? The Boy Judge. In this lesson, only is given to you only reading purpose, Nana. Okay, only it's a reading. It's not have any question answers, but you must read properly. Reading on that sentences. Okay, so what we are teach that lessons you must purchase that in textbooks. Those are not have the textbooks, you must purchase that in textbook. Come to our school. Okay, in this lesson some have in hard words. Okay, and every lesson we start that in first in hard words. Yes or no? Yes. Now hard words, number of hard words is given to you. In this hard words you must learn in hard words. Okay, what is hard words is given to you? Let us see. Okay, everyone you must read proper. You must read carefully with spelling. Okay, the first one is given to you, Caliph. What is that? Caliph. What is the spelling of in Caliph? C-A-L-I-P-H. What is that? Caliph. That Caliph means the spelling of C-A-L-I-P-H. Next, rain. What is that? Rain. The G also silent. Okay, the G also silent. We call that in rain. R-E-I-G-N. Rain. Next, Harun al-Rashid. Harun al-Rashid. What is that? Harun al-Rashid. What is the spelling of in Harun al-Rashid? H-A-R-O-U-N-A-L-R-A-S-H-I-D. Rashid. Next, Harun al-Rashid. Next one, Baghdad. Next one, what is that? Baghdad. B-A-G-H-D-A-D. Baghdad. Next one, Ali Kogliau. What's that? G also silent, Nana. Ali Kolia. We call that in Ali Kolia. The G also silent. A-L-I-C-O-G-L-I-A. Ali Kolia. Next, household. What is that? Another one. Another hard word. What is given to you? Yes, household. H-O-U-S-E-H-O-L-D. Household. Next, warehouse. Yes, what is that? Warehouse. It means of in storeroom. Okay? W-A-R-E-H-O-U-S-E. Warehouse. Next one, olives. Next one, olives. Olives means one of the fruit. Okay? We use that in pizzas. Okay, Nana, one of the fruit we call that in olives. Okay? O-L-I-V-E-S in olives. Next, Hussein, the name of person. Ali Kolia also the name of person and the Hussein also name of person. Okay, Nana? H-U-S-S-E-I-N. Hussein. Next, merchant. Yes, we do that in work. Yes, one of the person also do that in work. We call that merchant. It is an occupation. Okay, M-E-R-C-H-A-N-T. Merchant. Next, mold. What is that? Mold. M-O-U-L-D. Mold. Next, tumbled. What is that? Tumbled. T-U-M-B-L-E-D. Tumbled. Next, buried. What is that? Buried. B-U-R-I-E-D. Buried. Next, surprised. What is that, ma? Surprised. What is the spelling of in surprised? Join with me. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. Surprised. Next, punish. Next one, what is given to you in hard word? Punish. P-U-N-I-S-H. Punish. The next hard word is given to you, moonlight. Yes, moonlight. M-O-O-N-L-I-G-H-T. Moonlight. Next one, judge. J-U-D-E-G. Judge. Next, grand vizier. Yes, grand vizier. G-R-A-N-D-V-I-Z-I-E-R. Grand vizier. This all is given to you in hard words, but you read that in lesson. Which one is you know that in hard word you must put the underline on that word. Okay, write in your classwork notes in this hard words 2 times. And next go to in meanings. In this lesson meanings is also is given to you in your textbook. In this meanings also today we will learn. Okay, meanings. The first one. What is the meaning of in I will wrote. Yes or no? Ran means time in power. Ran means what is that? Time in power. And the next one, warehouse. Warehouse means we store that in things, one of the room. Yes, we store in, we cannot use that in things, we store one of the room, we call that in warehouse. Warehouse, we call that in storeroom also. Okay, a large building for a store items. Okay, next one, mentioned. What is that? Mentioned. Mentioned means spoke about. Mentioned means spoke about. Next, mold. Mold means what is given to you in meaning? A soft green. What is that? A soft green. Next, Grand Vizier. Grand Vizier means chief advisor. Grand Vizier means who's that? Chief advisor. Next, in play. Next one, what is that? In play. The while playing. The meaning also is given to you while playing. Next, Caliph. Caliph means what is that? A ruler in an Islamic state. Not only in Islamic state. What is given to you? The country name Baghdad country. It is a Islamic state. Yes, in Islamic places we call that in Caliph. Whoever is the king of one kingdom, we call that in Caliph. Okay. In this hard words and meanings also is given to you. Today I will start that in lesson. Okay, so I will start that in lesson. The lesson name is The Boy Judge. Okay, everyone open your textbook. The page number is 5. Okay, the first one, listen. Number of pictures is given to you. Look at this pictures, very colorful pictures is there, no? Yes, but in this colorful pictures only it's given to you reading. Not only in having question answers, only it's have to that in hard word and meanings. Okay, Nana, let us start that in our lesson. Over a thousands years ago, in the reign of the famous Caliph Harun al-Rashid, there lived in a Baghdad a merchant named Ali Kolia. What is that? What is the name of it? Ali Kolia. One day, Ali Kolia needed to travel on a long journey. Listen, Nana. Thousands of years in Baghdad of in country, the reign, who one is the, reign means the kingdom of, who one is the emperor of in kingdom, yes, reign, the Islamic countries we call that in the Caliph, the Islamic state, the meaning also is given, the ruler in an Islamic state, we call that in Caliph. What is that, the place of name? Harun al-Rashid. What is the name of? Harun al-Rashid. And who one is there on that in place? Merchant. Who one is there? Merchant is there. What is the merchant name? Ali Kolia. What is that in merchant name? Ali Kolia is lived there on place. So where place is there in that one? Yes, Baghdad. Where place is there in this one? Baghdad. Yes. But Ali Kolia is comes to a needed of journey to go in another places. Okay, Nana. Ali Kolia needed to travel on a journey. So next, what happened? Next, look at that. He packed up nearly all his household goods and rented out his home. What is he needed that in totally the goods, household goods also totally packed. But one of the important one is there. So what is that? Let us see. The only things left was find a safe place. The totally is packed in household goods, but one of the main important thing is there. He is thinking about that it's only kept that in important place. Yes, the safe place. Leave his private treasure 1,000 pieces of gold. So what is have on that in Ali Kolia? Yes, how many? The 1,000 pieces of gold is there. Yes, the 1,000 pieces of gold is there in whose? Ali Kolia. Now look at this. He put the gold into a large jar. Who's doing in this work? Ali Kolia. Ali Kolia, what he is doing? He is having a treasure 1,000 pieces of in gold. He took that which place in important or safe place. Is what is doing on the time? Is take off in large jar. Yes, he is take off that in large jar and put that in gold pieces on that jar. Okay, and the total first put that in the large jar is take and Okay, na? The color of in red and black color is there. One of the fruit. We can eat in this fruit. Okay, ma? And totally the down one is there in gold pieces and the fill of in olives. This he took a friend of his, Hussein, who was also a merchant. The put down one is there in gold pieces and totally covered with in olives. He's taken go to his friend of him, Hussein. Who's Hussein? The olives totally covered and Ali Kolia friend name is Hussein. He is also merchant. He is also merchant. Yes. Ali told him to take care of it till he come back. Hussein promised that he would. What is the totally covered, the filled with totally gold and olives totally filled the jar. Take and go to the day Hussein and give to, when I come back I will take that jar. Now on the time Hussein replied, what is replied? Take the key my warehouse. Okay, I will take that one, but I will given to you one of the key, the warehouse, which one we stored that in stored things. We cannot use that things. It's taken that key. You must go to on that room. You must put down warehouse and set your jar where you please. I promise you shall find there when you return. I cannot take that one. I cannot go on that warehouse. You must take the key. You must go on that room. Is replied that in Hussein. Turn the page number 6. Look at that. Ali Koglia's journey took longer than he thought. Hussein forgot all about that jar in his warehouse. One evening, Hussein's wife mentioned that he had not tasted olives for a long while. Listen, the Ali Koglia after he cannot comes to that one. Okay, he is going to the far off days. The so many days he is passed away. Ali Koglia's journey took a longer, and Hussein forgot that in jar matter. Okay, he cannot know that, he cannot remember. The totally forgot that in jar is there in warehouse. One evening, okay, who's now he said that in Hussein wife. Listen, one evening Hussein wife mentioned that she had not tasted olives for a long while. Yes, the Hussein wife also, it's very mentioned that. What is mentioned? I cannot, the long time I cannot have that in olives. He said that in Hussein. Now on that time he remembered in Hussein. On that time he is remembered. You remind me on your jar of olives. Ali Koglia with me 7 years ago. Surely he must be dead by now. I will fetch some from the warehouse. He is given to and is taken to that in jar. He is go to the long of days. The how many years passed? The 7 years passed. Is go to on that time. Okay. The mention that in olives is there. He remembered that in Hussein, and surely he cannot come to in this place of Ali Koglia. Why? Because so number of years also passed on that time, so he cannot come. He also dead. On that time, Hussein also what is doing? Look at that next picture. Hussein opened the jar. He is taken to the key and go to that where place. This where we stored that in jar of place, is got in warehouse. The olives were dry and covered in mold. Yes, look at that. The Hussein opened the jar. The olives were dry and covered with mold. What is the cover of in total one in jar? The down one is gold is there and totally covered with olives. But he is go to on that warehouse and open that. Which one? The jar, the dry. The olives also totally dried and mold. Mold means a soft green. Some of soft green olives is there. Some of also it's totally dried. He shocked the jar to see if all of olives had gone bad. The 7 years passed on that time. The totally olives also it's bad and damaged. Okay. And next olives. Bad. The two is surprised. Gold pieces tumbled out. What is doing? The totally also it's bad. But on that time time tumbled means collapsed ma. Okay, tumbled means it totally is surprised to collapsed on that in jar. And which one is look at that one, the gold jar, gold pieces, coins is the gold, thousands of pieces, the gold is there on the tin jars. He look at that Hussein. Now look at that. About a month later, Ali Kolia come back to Baghdad. He went to see Hussein and asked him for the jar of olives. Listen, look at this. They tumbled out, and the next day, look at that. The next day, Hussein buried and gold in the garden. Then he filled up the jar with fresh olives and closed it as before. Look at me. The next day, the tumbled out, totally collapsed on the jar. On the time, the next day, Hussein buried hidden place. Buried means hidden place. Okay, the gold in the garden. He's taken to that in gold of in taken the gold of in coins and go to that in garden and buried. Buried means it's a hidden place. Then he filled up the jar. The totally filled the new olives. Yes. With the fresh olives and closed with the before. Yes, it's on the jar is taken that in totally gold, but the jar also totally filled that in olives. Only this is a fresh olives, not having bad olives. Okay, and about a month later, it is a month later, the Ali Koglia come back to Baghdad. He went to see Hussein and asked him for the jar of his olives. Yes, the after 7 years is passed away. The after 7 years after he's come to 1 month after he's come to meet that in Hussein, and the both are also its meet, and he's asked about that in jar. Who's Ali Kolia? Yes, asked him that. My dear friend, I am very happy about your return. You will find your jar where you placed it. He's asking about that in Ali Kolia. It's a place of in jar. Also, he's asking about that. Listen, my dear friend, I am very happy about your return. You will find your jar where you placed it. He's asking about that in Ali Koglia. So what he's replied on that Hussein, I will explain on tomorrow. We discuss about on tomorrow. Okay? Everyone, you must read and write in hard words and meanings in one time in your classroom. Okay, now I hope in this understand. Today I will start in the continuation of lesson. Okay? Thank you.